Today and tomorrow, the new immigration bill will come back to the House of Commons to be discussed. This bill is discussing the future of the most vulnerable people around the world. Are we going to criminalize them? Are we going to turn our back to them? Or are we going to play our part that we always played in humane way, and we bring in people to seek sanctuary in the UK? UNHCR and other human rights organizations raised their concern about this new immigration bill could and may undermine the 1951 Refugee Convention that the UK played a big part, that putting countries together to sign this agreement. Let's not forget that 1951 Refugee Convention it's not very far away. It was 50 and 70 years ago. It was for the people, for the most vulnerable people, that they couldn't seek sanctuary in a normal way. So that's why this 1951 article was very important. We cannot turning our back into our most vulnerable people. We cannot say we're not going to play our part anymore, because what UK saying and what this bill saying, this bill pushing people to seek asylum in the first safe country that they arrive, which means UK and Ireland, and there's no way that the UK ever become a first safe country for any asylum seeker around the world. So that means we are not playing our part in immigration, in migration movement, and simply pushing or saying we send every asylum seekers back to France. And what if France take the same approach, say, okay, we will send every asylum seeker back where they come from, and then so on until we get Greece and Italy. So Greece and Italy will be the countries that will have to take the large number of refugees and migrants that they seek sanctuary. This is not fair. This is not how global cooperation works. Global cooperation means every country play their part to sort out a particular issue. We have a petition to provide safe legal routes for those vulnerable people. Instead of turning back their boats, instead of criminalizing them, we have a petition asking the government to provide safe legal route in France, so we can assess people in France and bringing them with a safe legal route into the United Kingdom and play our part into our global migration movement. Would like to first thank you, all of you. It's 15,000 people signing this petition, and it's going up and every day. I would like to thank you, and if you could share and sign this petition, thank you very much.